Mitharay promise batu Livingstone. Kila ban kelat ya kan ni?
Kata kasih orang kan. Saya yang beliau. Bagi beliau ndola temian kilong biang kelung. Kini baru armut laki samla biang.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Kot Admission nakamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka By Admission ka Badunatam, but 6% ka Jingïalang. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Ka Tnat Ïalehkai Sports, jang sarkar jalak la Shong ya ka Jingïalang perkhat kam, hak arp kunai tarik uyayong arja arpun Rio, nagbenta ban Pynkhreh ya ka National Games ka ban salong hak ni jala house Snem arja arpun Nyew. Habakran sigilat patai kubor, Menteri Tnat Sports and Youth Affairs uba wailat miki shella, ula pentip baga jing Pynkhreh kaliat syat-syat, hak banakalyang ka Tnat Sports jang sarkar pedang ru kilawan sa Meghalaya, ban budin ya jing Pynkhreh nakapor sa kapor.
Actually today is the first meeting of the governing body of the National Games Secretariat Society after its formation, after it got the approval from the cabinet. So today is the first meeting which we sat where the all the members of the different departments were present, and we have taken a few agendas and then we feel the committee feel that we should increase the members in this committee, because there was no member representative from tourism, from health, from transport and from IPR. So we thought we have taken the decision that more member will be included, where like it will be easy for us to coordinate, because as you all know that Meghalaya game is not only for sports, it is for like the whole state. So the whole state machinery will be involved. So that's why we thought that we should increase the number of people, the department. So where the decision is just formally today, since it was the first meeting, so no major, because we are just trying to settle in, because there are a lot of things need to be done in order for the society to be able to function. So that was the few agenda we discussed.
As far as the national games is concerned, have you taken the stock of situation recently? Might you can tell us how's it
recently, just a few weeks back, under the under the chairmanship of our chief minister, where not only for national game but actually he took the review meeting of all the department. So there we have present the presentation to him, and we are on track. All the construction of all the competition venue is going on, and we have mapped the accommodation in our state, which we feel that Shillong we have the numbers, but we are right at the moment we are having shortage in Tura and in Jobai, which we have also have a plan for that. We already have given the scheme from the tourism department for this boutique hotel, where almost I think 70 to 75% of subsidy will be given from the government, at least because we don't want to create any more infrastructure, because you know that just by if we continue to build infrastructure also, it will be very difficult, will be challenging for us to maintain it after the national game. So that's why we take this opportunity at least to promote tourism at the same time, and we give opportunity to the locals who want to set up these boutique hotels, but we have given them a set of guidelines where they have to incorporate where we can put our athlete or technical person in the coming days. So other than that, just a few months back also the secretary from the of sports from the union government also came here. He took the review meeting, he visited the site, he also was quite happy. And then a month back also our commissioner secretary along with our officers have visited our union minister Dr. Mansukh Mandviaji, and have also shared the presentation with him. So they also were quite happy with the presentation. So overall, I could say that the preparation is going well.
So if you remember last year when Meghalaya Games were happening, there were a lot of chaos as far as our athletes accommodation and all are concerned in polo and all of that. No, they were made to sleep in one room, cram up, blah blah. And many things came out of it. But then, so is the government ensuring that no such hiccups will happen this time around?
No, during that time also, I think not all, only few incident were there, and I think like quickly it was taken care of, and they have I think the sport department were swift. They have given a swift response, and if you have seen, then after that I think we were all witness that the last national game in July, I think, I don't know, according to me, and I have tried to check in the media also, I have not seen anyone complain from during the last Meghalaya games in July. So and even in for that matter, the Northeast Olympic game and other games which were being held, no doubt small issue will be there when you are organizing this event of this scale. So definitely here and there it will be there, but this is a prestige occasion for us, especially national game. So it is the whole country will be here, so we are not taking anything for granted. So we are fully prepared, and that's why you have seen that we have not waiting for the sanction from the central government. We are going all out with the state fund for any kind of construction, for any kind of which we need for the national game. So we are going forward, way ahead. So I'm quite sure and I'm quite confident under the kind of support we are getting from the chief minister, from the other department. So I'm confident that we'll be able to run this national game smoothly and make it a memorable one.
Well, in the recently concluded Khelo India Games, the state has done fairly well. So are you hopeful of a good showing in the
Definitely, because our what we really desire is not that just to host this game. We also want that our athletes and our players to perform well, and that's why for their encouragement with the government and from the sports department, we have passed the policy of the Meghalaya Outstanding Direct Appointment policy, where anybody starting, actually we are trying that even from last year national game also, for those medal winners also will be included, where they will be given the job. So from next year onward, that whoever will bring medal from the national game itself, they will get a government job. So I think it's a huge encouragement for our athletes, our players, and even for the parent to support them. And at the same time, we really want to have a good show. I mean, would see that the performance of Meghalaya also will improve. So that's why you have seen that from the sports department, we have decentralized everything. It's not that like in the past, with due respect, I've seen many associations have to come and beg to the sports department, please give us this, please give us that. But now we have seen from the last year itself that we have released all 39 crores we have sanctioned for the team preparation, where we no doubt, since we are giving money, so there should be accountability. So we have given some set of guidelines that you have to fulfill. So we have given the money to all the association, where they can buy equipments, they can hire human resource and other things. So we are trying to decentralize these things so they can prepare our athletes. And because of all this initiative, I would say, I think that's why in the recently concluded Khelo India Tribal Game, the performance of Meghalaya was tremendous. Where the rank last year Meghalaya rank in the Khelo India Tribal Game was 29, but this year it's a huge jump from 29 to 13th. We finished 13, and we'll continue to work hard, and we'll continue to support the association and the athlete, and I'm quite sure that next year we'll enter top 5, and therefore and hopefully will be on the top. So I think because of all this initiative and all this effort, and I think the result also you could see it. So with all this, I'm quite confident that it's not only will be able to host the national game, but will also perform well.
So one more thing.
Because now we cannot give the exact deadline to all the project, because there are projects who have started long back and there are projects which have just started. So that's why different project. Because as you all know that plastic to anyway, because there is a ruling of the High Court also that is the single-use plastic is banned. Is already there. And no doubt our Honorable Chief Minister also have made it very clear that we want to make this a green national game. So we are like we are in the process now. We will be having the awareness program. We will be going and we will be imparting like the awareness to different stakeholders, that to make sure that to make this Meghalaya game a green Meghalaya game.
The competition jungi kam judai hi katach lane kam kodyat madiat, they are never our competition jungi kidai mangi para guest house, para instay, para homestay. Kaya mangisak sadani ki email pa jung apa di amba yan penkala no syaka guest house lane ka homestay kan. Por bangi penkala ngi ai kerten ka orange homestay. Ki sedang sya no 4 rooms tang ba naka 4 rooms ni sotho ba ma nomor ni dang kam shu ki rooms ke ni lala ban expand na kadau ka floor jong ki tourist kila sedang board hadin ngin sala ban expand jo showroom at current ni dan katsandu habawan kun kini kita kum mga ngonong mo mga puli for Institute of Hotel Management kum kini ki big companies bawan shini kalong big opportunities hingi ki yun pagin yo company ha jaka bangin like shabar bangin tap placement shabar ma ha bangin la dak puli tingin jaka bangin tap shabar ngi layo ban tap ak state la jong ki tourist ki long la ka jong ka segment ma uba kambet kambiang oleh sa he'll go for touch lane who want that luxury experience oleh touch budget travelers ki like hakim hotel tekidan ki middle class ki kwa ban sa ha pam kini ki instay ki tang kata hang la ban ka bekam dan jing thot iro yangi ngai baka acknowledge tot ya baro homestays owners lane ki instay lane kiwai ki bentaro recently ngadang shu receive ka award ma katin ba ka gold award jang to sustainable Indian tourism New York ka orange instay ma to ka tekan ka ni ka company ba ka government hi ka acknowledge lot ya baro ka trahi ban promote lo ya baro